Welcome back to another new video, guys. Friends, while editing a video in KineMaster with green screen layer, are you facing a problem like this? Friends, do you want to remove these green lines from the green screen layer? So friends, this video is for you. Watch this video till the end because today I am going to show you how to remove these green lines in just one click. So guys, what are you waiting for? Let's get started into our video. So guys, after opening KineMaster, create a new project and select a background. After selecting a background, add a green screen layer for your video. And now enable chroma key for this layer and adjust the intensity level. So guys, as you can see, after adjusting here, you will see some green lines here. So we need to remove these green lines in one click. For this, just click here on layer and click on effect. You should select color isolation effect. You will not get this color isolation effect, so you should download it from the asset store, KineMaster asset store. So apply this to your video and bring it to the end and click here on setting and select the color as green and reverse it. Click here on reverse and in the intensity level click here as 69. So as you can see, the green lines have been removed, and if I delete this, you can see the green lines have came again. So see guys. So friends, that's today's video. If you think the video is good, please like this video, and if you think video is not good, please dislike this video. And if you want to watch more videos on this content, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, please ask me in the comment box.